Hello and welcome back. What I'm going to be showing you today is one of the new features that we are working on in Excel Draw version 5. Now version 5 is not due to be released until mid 2021, but I would like to show you a few of the features, actually one of the features that we're working on that has been highly requested by several of our customers, and that is the ability to automate when an object is being created via VBA code. Now, if you are familiar with Excel Draw version 4, you will know that there is already a automation with the exporting of DXF documents. So if you go to export settings, this is already in version 4, and these are your preset settings for exporting DXF format documents. And if you use this line of code right here, it will allow you to export your data into different formats. So we are taking this and we are expanding it, and we are also enabling it to include creating objects as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. This is one of the objects that I created using our automated creating objects, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start a new sheet over here, and I'm going to copy my values so we can have them here, and I'm just going to paste them in. So there we have the same values that we had before. And now I'm going to open up the VBA Editor, and how you do that, you can either press Alt and F11, or you can go up to Developer and Visual Basic, but it does exactly the same thing. So we are going to Alt and F11, and as you can see, we now have the Visual Basic brought up. So this is what I'm going to show you. How to automate Excel. First off, what you need to do, there is a string of code which is right here, and you're going to need to copy and paste this into your document somewhere, into your VBA project, and this is going to be available in our text documents help string, which will be included in Excel Draw version 5. You do not need to program any of this. It's already done for you, and I'll explain what it does. This right here sets all your defaults and applications. All that stuff is set for you right here. This loops through all of your installed add-ins to get the latest version of Excel Draw, the one that you are currently using. And then this right here calls and creates your object for you. But all of this, once you copy and paste it, can be controlled with one single line of code, which I'm going to step you through right now. So once you have this down here, copy and pasted, how you create an object using VBA is very simple. You type in GTED, which stands for Gray Technical Excel Draw, then underscore create underscore object, and space. And then it shows you all of your options. Now the first option it asks you is what the object is, and this is actually a rectangle, and you can see in bold all of your options that are right there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a capital R for a rectangle. Then I'm going to hit comma, and now it asks me for a range. Now the range that I'm going to use is going to be A1 through F1, because that is the range that we have right here, A1 through F1. Okay, if I hit comma, now it asks me, is there Z values enabled? 0 means no Z values, 1 means yes, there are Z values, and 2 means that you're going off the default settings that you have in Excel Draw. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 because there are Z values available in that. And then the next one it asks me is if it is relevant value or absolute value. So absolute value is 0, relevant value is 1, and 2 again is the default. So I'm going to go ahead and say 0 because there is absolute values in this, not relevant. And then the last one is what layer would you like to create this object on. So I'm going to say layer 1. And there we have it. That is all that we need to do to automate Excel Draw. And if I run this, it's going to create a rectangle with the first line of code. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit play with this. And it's going to take it a little bit because I am doing a recording. So, you know, this took it about a second. Normally it won't take that long because I am recording. It uses up some processing power to do that. But yes, as you can see, we have created a box using VBA code. And if I would like to make a line with the next code, you could send this through a loop if you wanted to. You could add the data in, send it through a loop, and it would populate it for you. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to change this to the second row. And instead of it being on a rectangle, let's make it a line, and it's going to be on layer 2. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit play on this. And as you can see, we now have a line. Okay, so that is one of the features that we're going to be adding into ExcelDraw version 5, which is the ability to automate your process of creating objects with just a simple line of code. Again, this can be automated to be inside of a loop, so you can just add your values and loop and create them. We're going to try to be expanding this to include more features as well, but that is something to look forward to in version 5. Thank you all very much. If there's anything else that you would like to see, or maybe some other update that you would like to be included, leave a comment down below. Let us know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up because it does help us out a lot. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day.